Hi friends, and welcome to week 4 of summer reading. Of course, this year's theme is Tails and Tales, so every week we're going to be talking about a different kind of animal, and this week we're going to be talking about birds. So I thought that I would pick out a really fun book, and this book is called Little Bird's Bad Word. Sounds serious. Let's get into it. Little Bird's Bad Word by Jacob Grant. Little Bird and his papa were soaring high over the treetops. "Lunch is extra wriggly today," said Papa. They are. Blark! Look, he dropped it. And then the little bird is saying, "Blark, blark, blark." "No, no, no," said Papa. "That is not a word for little birds." Little Bird was always happy to learn a new word. "A word for big birds. I can't wait to start using it." Little Bird knew his friends would love the new word. Blark! Frog was startled. Blark! Moose was speechless. Blark! Blark! Fish and Ladybug were not amused. Ladybug looks angry. Blark! And Little Bird's friend Turtle Blark. Oh no. Little Bird didn't know what to do. This is bad. Could this new word be bad? I've been using a bad word? He hadn't flown far when he heard Papa's voice. Little Bird means well. He's learning that words can be hurtful, said Papa. I'm sorry, everyone. Very sorry. See, Papa Bird's talking to all his friends. That was all Little Bird needed to hear. He knew just the word to make things right. Sorry! Sorry. Turtle liked this word much better. The end. The worm says, "Blark." Was pretty funny. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed reading with me today. I really had a good time reading with you, and I will see you again next week for week 5 of summer reading. Bye!